I want everything about my house off the internet. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, but we have food now. Today we got Burger King, guys. Burger King. We got a Whopper. A Whopper. A Whopper. Oh. Oh crap. This looks sad. It looks kind of, it kind of looks sad. Okay, we got a burger. Okay, I can't because the bread's ripping. But I got a burger, and I also got some fries with some soda. I got Coke. All right, guys. Got some good Coke. Coca-Cola. For the soda, I give it a nice 8 out of 10, guys. It has the texture, it has the sweetness. All right, guys. Here's a single fry. I give it a 7 out of 10. It's a good fry. Nice salted. It's nice and salted. All right, now we have what? Okay, now we have a Whopper. What the what? Oh, give me napkins. Let's go. Well, I rate the burger. It's probably a good. Give it an 8. Pretty good. Not bad. The whole meal together, I say it's like above average. So like maybe a 7 or an 8. I go 7.5. I give it 7.5. Oh, that's delicious. And we also have dessert, guys. Rice Krispie treats. And some Skittles. I'm gonna finish this burger. Hold on. Pretty good. Now we have a Rice Krispie treat. Let's go. Making me really mad. Ooh, wait. Ooh. Mm. I played these games before. Oh, you're so right. You're so right. Guys, we're gonna add Skittles to the Rice Krispie treat. We're gonna fill it up. Fill it up, like, just put it in there. Ooh. Put some on the side. Put some right here. This is what I do to my bros on a Tuesday. Fill them up. Here we go, guys. The Rice Krispie treat by itself, give it like a 7. The Skittles plus the Rice Krispie treat makes it a 9. The Skittles by itself, 5. It's a little too fruity for me, but overall it's pretty good. Give it the whole meal, everything. Give it a 9. Pretty good. Alright, let me get one more sip. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I'll try to post more often, guys. I know y'all missed me, right? But anyway, guys, peace out. Cue the outro.